How to manage your data on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your data on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that click settings, then scroll all the way down until you find privacy center, and that's it. Now just click control now just scroll down and here we'll find it, manage my data. You can download your data or anything you want here, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.